snap! Your spring broke inside of your SL turret. What does that mean? Well, you need to get a new spring and you need to stretch it. I'm the CNC repairman. For your spindle belt, I'm going to show you how the Niagara Falls tools operate. The spring is like a dumbweight. It helps hold up the turret and apply force so that the encoder feedback is better. Now you have to pull the top plate off the turret, get access to hook it inside. Now the back bracket, it kind of is this teeter-totter thing, and I'll show you how to tighten it. If you're doing an alignment, if you're working back here, you're going to need to loosen it and then retighten it, or if it breaks, you're going to need to put a new one on. So I'll show you how to hook the front and then how to tension it in the back. The hook goes below this black ring, right inside there, and in that groove. Now you're going to need a big crescent wrench, a 3/8 open end wrench, sorry, 3/4 inch open end wrench, and a 3/8 ratchet, Allen wrench. Those tools. Let's go look. So to tension or untension the springs, you're going to need a big crescent wrench, 3/4 open end or ratchet, probably a cheater bar, 3/8 Allen wrench, and a step ladder to get up on top of the machine. Now if it's tensioned, this will be down and this will be back. The tricky part is you've got to use this to grab the lever here and give us some force, but you got to make sure that the front of it is hooked correctly inside of the turret box. So this is easy because I am taking it apart and it's already not tensioned. Okay, those are loose. Going to give this a tug. And then we're going to tighten that guy up just a little, and we're going to make sure that the front is hooked correctly inside the turret box, and it's not right now. So just lift it up, then kind of put some tension on this. This one push down. Okay, so now here's the tripped part. Kind of want those snug. We're going to take this and we're going to hook it inside here and just start to give this a snug, or a pull. Want to put your foot up on the wedge. This is just to get it cammed over enough to then fit your ratchet in from this side. Now this is a 30, it's a little different if you're on a 20. Okay, now I'm going to tighten the bolt on the other side to hold it, and I will see if I've got enough room. I do. Just barely fit this over it. So now this guy ready to go here, and I'm going to loosen this up, Allen wrench, cam it forward, and then this will move down and then back up. Oh, here we go. Y'all to tug. Okay, once I go past that line, whoop, this we can stop at any point. Just tighten these. Okay, I stopped. So if you were loosening it, you would just hold this on and start to loosen these and let it go back. So we're gonna put tension on this and loosen up that guy, loosen up the bottom one, and go past. Okay, and now the bottom's gonna start to come up. I'll just loosen it up a little more. And I may need to flip my crescent wrench around to go the full width. I'll just tighten that up. Tighten that up. Flip that around. And we'll get the last inch out of this groove. Loosen this guy up. Voila! No machines were harmed in the process of this, or knees whacked, or shins knocked. Good to go for 10 or 15 years. I'm gonna get these real tight.
not work. Nope, it's working.
Okay, that's tight. Now, one last thing I usually like to do is I made sure all of the bolts that hold the turret box are locked, and I'm going to do one more sweep of the turret just to make sure that I didn't crooked this thing. Let's check one more time. I like tight bolts. Yeah, not going anywhere. That's how you release and tension the spring on your SL Lathe.